Hello friends, how are you? First, use plant supports. Help your crops grow taller and straighter. With metal support stacks, keep your plants off the ground and give them better access to sunlight. Number 2. Bird feeders and house can be an excellent addition to your garden. By attracting a variety of birds to your garden, you add beautiful and life to your space and create natural pest control. Different types of bird feeders and houses can help attract a diverse range of bird species, which in turn can enhance the biodiversity of your garden. Number 3. Potted plants and herbs are a versatile addition to any garden. They can be grown in a small space, such as balcony and patios, and are easy to move around for different arrangement. Not only do they add greenery to your space, but they also provide an opportunity for fresh flavors in your cooking. Herbs like basil, rosemary are simple to grow and maintain in pots. Use plants with different textures. Make a bold, dramatic statement in your garden, even without flowers, by combining plants with different foliage, texture, and colors. An easy way to create texture combination is by pairing leaves with opposite characteristics. Palette wall garden. Choose a sunny setup. Before building a garden, keep in mind that most vegetables and fruits prefer full sun and carefully consider the needs of each plant and choose to use a mix of raised garden beds and plenty directly into the ground. Pallet wall garden. A pallet is repurposed into a handy wall garden to make the most of a small space. Herbs tuck nicely into the miniature planting area. So friends, please subscribe my channel and tab icon button.